Kia ora everyone, Kia ora again from the beautiful island of Manihiki. Today we're going back out hunting. Today's video, we're going out hunting. I was asked to get to help out with some pigs for a couple of functions coming up. We got some pigs to send to Raro for our Manihiki community in Raro, and we had to get some pigs for a wedding coming up. So yeah, me and my son's going out today, catch some pigs. We set up some traps yesterday to help out with the hunt because we got a target to hit today. So yeah, we're gonna go and check the traps and shoot some pigs out there. Just reached our first lot of traps. What we're gonna do is I'm just gonna go in and check them. If it's a miss, I'll reset the traps. If there's a pig on it, I'll just leave it. We won't shoot, I'll kill them. We're gonna go out pig hunting for shooting first. Then come back and kill the ones in the traps. Our first trap is a miss, so I'm gonna reset this one and move on. So our second trap, got a pig on it, so it's a good start to our hunt. Make sure to stay away from the pig. So yeah, good start. Second trap, got a pig on it. Still got a couple more traps to check before we go out shooting. Let's go. Pig on this trap, it's just a small one. We'll let this one go. What? Gonna bite. Piggy number 3 on the traps, another small one. So let this one go too. Okay, bye bye. Got another one on the trap. Good size. Yeah, so there's 2 good sized ones. Got a chicken on this one. Just finished checking our traps. So we set 2 pigs good to kill and 2 small ones that I release. Too small. So what we're gonna do is, this is the last spot we put our traps. We're gonna go down that way and start hunting this way, shooting the pigs. Hopefully they push them down this way towards the traps. We resetted the traps, so we're gonna try and push the pigs down this way. Yeah. Okay, we're ready. We're going in to start with our hunt. Let's go. Radio. Got our first pig for the hunt, for the shooting. There's one down. One pig down. Radio. Continue. The pig just took off. we go. Second pig. Kind of hard hunting today. It's a bit too dry out there. Coconut leaves are breaking and making too much noise. I'll get close to the pigs. It's like the pigs can see me and hear me from a mile away. Oh, continue. Number 3. What a beauty. Take this one to the boat. Gonna continue. Back at the boat. My son's going to pick up the first lot of pigs we shot. Down that way. And I'm gonna continue hunting and wait for him to come past. Hopefully I'll get another 2 pigs or another pig. Let's go. Looks like we have to settle with the 3 pigs for shooting. There's heaps of pigs. It's a bit too dry inside, making a lot of noise while we're walking. Can't get close to the pigs. But yeah, 3 pigs for shooting. I'm gonna go and collect the ones in the trap. There's 2 that I know of. Pick those up and we're off home. So there's the pig on the trap. I'm gonna take it off and kill it. Yeah. Kill this one. Piggy number 2 on the trap. Take this one off. Scope. I just put one down. Didn't have time to video it. Yeah, not a pig to the list. What a beauty. And 2 just took off that way. Check this out. I was pulling this pig, the pig I shot early on. Just shot this one. I was pulling it to the beach. And I came across another pig lying in here. So I just shot it 2 times in the head. From here. Got 2 pigs to pull to the beach now. 1, 2. Let's go. Yeah. He carries the small ones and I carry the big ones. Daddy carries the big ones. So yeah, we were gonna end our hunt. We went and collect the pigs in the traps, and I told my son just wait at the boat
I'll just go back in just to see if I can get another pig. But in that short time, end up shooting 2 pigs. So that brings our total to 7 pigs.
Oh, wife's cooking kai kai. Hi wife! What's for kai kai? Roti! Hi Ata baby. Having roti for kai kai. Hungry. Let's go. Ah, look at our kai kai. Look at roti for kai kai. Okay. Bye bye. Oh yeah. End of our hunt. So we had 4 pigs on the traps, but 2 small ones we let 2 go. Killed 2. We got 5 pigs from our shooting. So yeah, total of 7 pigs and 2 chicken.
Anda po siya. Halo?
Previous one, we finished cleaning our pigs. So we didn't reach our target we wanted today, but came back with 7 pigs. We resetted our traps. So we'll go back tomorrow and check those. Looks like I have to do another day of hunting. The pig's all clean. Wrapping it goes into the freezer. So this is ready to send to Raro. Orana. So my son's gonna take the waste and tip it out. Feed the fish and the sharks. So yeah, good day of hunting. Finish off with our energy drink. Boom.